Anti-ulnar drift orthosis. Here, we will demonstrate how to make a functional orthosis for patients with ulnar drift of the MCP joints of the fingers. We need 3 strips of Orficast. The first strip will be 6 cm wide and 20 cm long. A second strip will be 6 cm wide and measure 3 times the width of the hands at the level of the MCP joints. Finally, a third strip will be 6 cm wide and 1 cm long. Step 1. Heat the first strip of 20 cm and fold it in thirds lengthwise. Compress and lightly stretch the material. Apply the Orficast beginning from the lateral side of the index finger just below the PIP joint. Cover the dorsal surface of the metacarpals, then pass the material onto the palmar surface of the hand. Connect the 2 ends of material on the lateral side of the MCP joint of the index finger. Carefully hold the fingers in the right position. The hand arches are perfectly molded while respecting the opposition of the thumb. Remove the first piece after hardening. Step 2. Heat the second large strip and fold it in half. Cut away a portion, creating space for the thenar eminence. Cut into thirds, creating a narrow strip for each of the 3 fingers. Mold the piece on the palmar side of the hand. Pass the strips between the fingers and stick them together dorsally, forming loops around the proximal phalanges. Hold the fingers in the right position and mold the arches perfectly. Step 3. Take the last small strip of Orficast and fold it in half. Mold it around the index finger. Before assembly, cut away any excess material and round all corners. Take the second component from step 2 and cut the finger loops so as to keep only the ulnar and dorsal side of the loops. Round all of the corners and trim the edges of the third component, destined for the index finger. Heat the second and third part accordingly with a heat gun and stick them together. Assemble the 2 remaining parts by heating each with the heat gun and by firmly sticking them together. Fit the orthosis to the patient and check the alignment of the fingers.